Good morning, members of the media, and welcome to Trinidad and Tobago Police Service Weekly Media Brief. My name is Michael Jackman, Acting Assistant Superintendent, Corporate Communications Unit, and Public Information Officer of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. With me today is Superintendent Acting Beverly Rodriguez, and she'll be speaking to the issues surrounding the welfare and safety of children in Trinidad and Tobago. Ms. Beverly Rodriguez, Superintendent Acting, is the officer in charge of the Child Protection Unit of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. Ms. Rodriguez, good morning.
Thank you. A pleasant good morning to members of the media. The Child Protection Unit, or CPU as the name suggests, is responsible for protecting children from harm. The unit must ensure that all children within Trinidad and Tobago are safe, secure, and well protected under the law. 2 years ago, the unit was established to fulfill the requirements of the Children's Act 12 of 2012, the Children's Authority Act, Chapter 46 of 10, and the Children's Community Residences, Foster Home and Nurseries Amendment Act 2008. The role and functions of the CPU is to investigate recent reports of the following types of crimes against children: sexual offenses, sexual abuse, physical abuse, abandonment and neglect, and ill treatment of children. The CPU must collaborate with the Children's Authority to ensure the care and protection of all children in Trinidad and Tobago. The CPU has been able to and continues to positively impact the rights and well-being of children by ensuring reports of abuse committed against children are investigated and accused persons are prosecuted. The CPU has recently been given an additional mandate with respect to the care and protection of children. There is an international framework for the administrative of child justice, which guarantees certain rights of children in conflict with the law. This framework includes the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. This is an international treaty to which Trinidad and Tobago is a signatory. Trinidad and Tobago is making important strides towards the improvement of the youth justice system to incorporate the international standards and practices. Arising out of this, the Juvenile Court Project was born. The project is due to be initiated by year's end with a new type of dispensation of justice to child offenders. There will be 3 children's courts at Faizabad, Port of Spain, and Tobago. All officers in the unit are trained in the execution of the new judge's rules for children and all aspects of the new juvenile court project. It is customary at this time for the CPU to speak directly to parents on the care and well-being of their children as the Christmas school vacation approaches. Parents should ensure that children are properly supervised when taking them to crowded areas such as shopping malls, stores, and supermarkets, etc. Children can become easily lured into washrooms and lonely areas by predators who are on the loose at this time looking for children who appear to be unattended or unsupervised. Discourage your children from accepting drinks, food, money, or gifts from persons without your approval. Do not leave a child's drink unattended as this can be easily contaminated with mind-numbing drugs. Ensure that if you leave your children at home, that there is a responsible adult to supervise them. Know the friends that your children are with at the malls and the movie theaters, etc. Parents should always supervise their children's internet activity along with their cellular phone use and tablets, and have a common place for the use of these devices where their use can be easily monitored. Contact the police if your child has received pornographic material via the internet, or if you suspect he or she has been the target of an online predator. For the period January 1st to November 3rd, 2016 to 2017, we have had a decrease in the number of offenses committed against children. The police need the support of all stakeholders to minimize incidents of sexual assaults and abuse towards children. Please come forward and report all instances of abuse or suspected abuse to the police. Thank you.